Hello guys, my name is Maria Shandorova and I'm responsible for product development at Inphinity. One of our products is Inphinity Mole, the Click custom connector for unstructured data. Thanks to that, you can load into your ClickSense application the main information about all your files you have on your servers or in computer, like name, where exactly it is stored, when it was created, when it was last modified, who is the author, and so on. But not only that, you can load the content of the file into the app as well. Based on that, in the last TechTuesday video, we have put together this simple yet very powerful application as a search through all the files we have prepared. So I can search for word Infinity, and thanks to the associative data model behind the Click app, I can see in which files these words are mentioned and where exactly these files are stored, and naturally all other related information. In this TechTuesday video, I will share a few tips, tricks, Click functions you can use when it comes to work with unstructured data in the Click script. We can start with normalizing words, because Infinity with the uppercase in the beginning is the same as Infinity with the lowercase. Therefore, we will create a new dimension, normalized word, to be sure you can search for both of them by selecting one value in the dimension. And you can do that very easily because there are 3 functions you can use directly in the Click script during the reload of the app. The first one, and the one I prefer, is the lower function. The second one is upper. And the third one, some of customers prefer, is capitalize. Let's reload the app. And now we can create a new table to see values of these dimensions. So the original one, upper, and capitalized. And in the app itself, I can change the dimension I use for filtering. So let's say it will be lower. Therefore, when I search for Infinity and select this value, the application looks for both ways how it can be written in the files. Great! The other thing is that in many languages, there is interpunction. For example, this really nice word in Slovak language, inštitúcie, that means institutions, contains 2 letters with the interpunction. And even after normalizing the word by using lower, upper, or capitalized function, these 3 words are different because of the interpunction it's used. Here it is in the correct form, so esh and u. In this one, only esh is used, and in this one there is no interpunction. And we know it's the same word, so there is a thing you can do. Again, it has to do something with the load script and Click native functions and features, because there is an amazing function I haven't known about until I started to work with unstructured data, and it's called map substring. It works in the way that you need to define a map for letters instead of words. And then you use the function, let me copy and paste it, map substring. The first input is name of the map we have created, so M letters in our case. Then it is a string or word you want this map to be applied on. And thanks to that, we can define even better normalized word. Let me delete previous functions and we can reload the app again. If you think about it, it absolutely makes sense to first change all the letters to lowercase or uppercase, because then you don't need lower and uppercase letters defined here in this map. So first I lowered it and then I apply this specific map. You can find the map in the blog post on our webpage, so you can copy and paste it easily. No need to create it on your own if you don't want. But feel free to add other letters that are missing here. And now we need to change this app a bit. So instead of word lower, we now have word norm, and these two other we have deleted. So I can search for this word with this meaning. And thanks to the associative data model, again, the application will find all versions of how this word can be mentioned in the file and where exactly it is stored. I will continue sharing tips, tricks, and click functions you can use to work with unstructured data in your ClickSense application. But for now, this is all. So stay tuned. The next Tech Tuesday video will be here soon. And until then, enjoy Mole.